boys and girls, Miss Barrow here, and we're going to start our math off strong today doing some whole body counting. First thing I need you to do is stand up out of your chair, and I want you to stretch your arms to the sky and spread your legs apart like you're a starfish. And I want you to touch your hand to your foot. And you're gonna go back up, and you're gonna put your other hand, your right hand to your left foot, crossing it like a starfish. We're gonna do that to the count of 5. Are you ready? Let's cross our bodies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job, boys and girls. Next thing I want you to do is stand tall with your hands on your hips. And I want you to bend over at your waist so your nose is looking at your knees. We're going to do that 5 times. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, guys. The last thing we're going to do to get our minds ready for learning is we're going to do some jumping jacks. We're going to do that magic number 5. So let's go ahead and start. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoo! Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's get our wiggles out and sit back down. We're going to give you just a few minutes, and I want you to take out those counting cubes. All right, now that you've got your counting cubes out, we are ready to take a look at this picture. Ooh, that's the barnyard, just like we saw last night on our homework. Well, we're going to do something a little more with this barnyard today. So, I want you to take a look at the picture in front of you. Let's talk about that picture. We're going to do what we call a picture walk. In the front, I see some pigs, and they're playing in the mud. Going up the road, I see 2 white goats. One of them's got a bell around his neck. Behind the goats close to the barn is a horse over on the right side. And on the left side in the pond, I see 2 happy frogs. But I see a third frog hopping in the water. Behind the frogs, I see a white duck and a green duck. So I'm seeing a lot of things in my picture. And this picture tells me I'm going to be doing a lot of counting. So with your counters, I want you to take a look at this number. What is this number that we have right here? We've talked about that number. We've written that number in our Zoom meeting, and now I want you to think. What is that number in front of you? That's right, that number is 2. I want you to build the number 2 with your snap cubes, and I'm going to use my red counters to do the same. Watch me. 1, 2. Do you have 2 snap cubes stuck together? If you do, great job. Great job, boys and girls. Way to find the number 2. Let's move to our next number. Oh, this one's an easy one. I've seen that number before. Go ahead and tell me what's that number. That's right, it's the number 1. I can easily show you 1 with 1 cube. Go ahead and hold it up for me. I'm going to move my 1 counter into my 5 frame to show you what the number 1 looks like. Go ahead and reach your hand up in the sky like you're raising your hand to ask a question. Reach it behind you and pat yourself on the back. You guys are doing an awesome job. All right, I'm going to get a little tricky. Ooh, we talked about that number just yesterday. We wrote it in our Zoom meetings. Remember where we hugged that tree? We had ourselves a hard time. But we are going to go ahead and persevere and build in this number. What is my number? What is my number? That's right. My number is 3. Can you snap 3 of your snap cubes together for me? Hey, me and 3, they both. That's right, they rhyme. I'm going to show you 3 on my 5 frame. There's 1, 2, 3. Hey, you little stinker. 3. Do you get 3 just like me? I bet you did. Now, I'm feeling a little sassy this afternoon, and I want to see if I can challenge you. Who's ready for a challenge? I knew you would be. Let's take a look at this number. Uh-oh. I don't see a number. If I don't see a number, how many would that be? That's right. It's the number 0. So if we don't see anything, that means we have the number 0 to look at. All right, boys and girls. I am super proud of everything you've done today, and I want you to thoroughly enjoy your afternoon. We'll see you later.